Shri Ganapati Sharada Gurubhyo Namaha. Welcome to all to chapter 8 of Avadhuta Gita along with singing of its lyrics with brief meaning. Atha Ashtamodhyayaha Avadhuta Uvacha
त्वद्यात्रया व्यापकता हता ते ध्यायेन चेतः परता हता ते स्तुत्या मया वाक्परता हता ते क्षमस्व नित्यं त्रिविधापराधान्.
Avadhuta said, O Brahman, by going on a pilgrimage to seek you, I have denied your omnipresence. By meditating on you, I have given you form in my mind and thus denied your formless nature. By singing hymns, I have described you and thus denied your indescribable nature. Forgive me for these three offenses.
कामैरहत धीर्धान्तो मृदुः शुचिरकिञ्चनः अनीहोमितभुक्षन्तः स्थिरो मच्छरणो मुनिः.
He whose intellect is not agitated by desires and whose sense organs are controlled, he who is gentle, pure, without possessions, not covetous, not greedy for food, serene and steadfast, he who has taken refuge in the self, he alone is a sage.
अप्रमत्तो गभीरात्मा धृतिमार्जितषड्गुणः अमानी मानदः कल्पो मैत्रः कारुणिः कविः.
The sage is vigilant, profound, and steady, and has conquered the mind and the senses. He is humble and gives honor to all. He is well mannered, friendly, compassionate, and far-sighted.
कृपालुरकृतद्रोहस्तितिक्षुः सर्वदेहिनां सत्यसारो नवद्यात्मा समः सर्वोपकारकः.
The sage is gracious, non-violent, and forbearing toward all. He is established in truth, impartial, and beneficent to all. He is a blameless soul.
अवधूतलक्षणं वर्णैर्ज्ञातव्यं भगवत्तमैः वेदवर्णाथ तत्त्वज्ञैर्वेदवेदान्तवादिभिः.
One should learn the characteristics of a supreme avadhuta syllable by syllable from the teachers of the Vedas and Vedanta who are adept in understanding the syllables and the meaning of the Vedas.
आशापाशविनिर्मुक्त आदिमध्यान्तनिर्मलः आनन्दे वर्तते नित्यम् अकारं तस्य लक्षणम्.
The syllable A of Avadhuta indicates that he is free from the snare of hopes, asha, and expectations. His life is pure from its beginning through its middle to its end, and he always dwells in bliss.
वासनावर्जितायेन वक्तव्यं च निरामयं वर्तमानेषु वर्तेत वकारं तस्य लक्षणम्.
The syllable Va of Avadhuta indicates that he has uprooted all desires, vasana. His speech is purifying and he always lives in the ever present Brahman.
धूलिधूसरगात्राणि धूतचित्तो निरामयः धारणध्याननिर्मुक्तो धूकारस्तस्य लक्षणम्.
The syllable dhu of Avadhuta indicates that though his body is besmeared with great dust, dhuli, from lack of body consciousness, his mind is pure and healthy. He no longer needs to practice concentration and meditation.
तत्त्वचिन्ता धृता येन चिन्ता चेष्टा विवर्जितः तमोऽहङ्कारनिर्मुक्त स्तकारस्तस्य लक्षणम्.
The syllable ta of Avadhuta indicates that he is absorbed in the thought of Brahman, Tattva, and that he does not suffer from anxiety or feel obliged to exert himself. He is completely free from both egotism and ignorance.
दत्तात्रेयावधूतेन निर्मितानन्दरूपिणा ये पठन्ति च शृण्वन्ति तेषां नैव पुनर्भवः. दत्तात्रेयवधूतेन निर्मितानन्दरूपिणा ये पठन्ति च शृण्वन्ति तेषां नैव पुनर्भवः. तेषां नैव पुनर्भवः. तेषां नैव पुनर्भवः.
This is the blissful song composed by Dattatreya Avadhuta. Those who read it or hear it become free from rebirth. इति श्री दत्तात्रेय विरचितायाम् अवधूत गीतायां स्वामी कार्तिक संवादे स्वात्मा संवित्युपदेशो नाम अष्टमोऽध्यायः. Here ends the 8th chapter of the Avadhuta Gita of Dattatreya, the Swami's instructions to Kartika, entitled Self-Knowledge. Om Tat Sat. Here ends the Avadhuta Gita. ನಮಸ್ತೆ ಶಾರದೆ ದೇವಿ ಕಾಶ್ಮೀರ ಪುರವಾಸಿನಿ ತ್ವಾಮಹಂ ಪ್ರಾರ್ಥಯೇ ನಿತ್ಯಂ ವಿದ್ಯಾದಾನಂಚ ದೇಹಿ ಮೇ. ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ.